In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to filter activities on a record timeline in HubSpot so you can quickly find the information you need without scrolling endlessly. If you work in sales, marketing, or customer support, you know how busy a record timeline can get with emails, calls, meetings, tasks, and automated activities all mixed together. So learning how to filter properly can save you a huge amount of time every single day. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the advanced filtering options that most HubSpot users overlook. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips and step-by-step guides. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open a record inside HubSpot. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. From the main navigation menu at the top, go to CRM. From there, choose the object you want to work with. This could be contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, depending on what type of record you want to review. For this example, we'll click on Contacts. Once you're in the Contact section, click on any individual contact name to open their record. When the record opens, you'll see the full timeline in the center of the screen. This timeline displays every activity associated with that record, including emails, calls, notes, tasks, meetings, and system activity. Now that you're inside the record, the next step is to locate the activity filters. At the top of the timeline section, you'll see a row of activity type filter buttons. These buttons allow you to quickly control which types of activities are visible. You'll typically see options like notes, emails, calls, tasks, meetings, postal mail, logged activity, and integrations. Depending on your portal and connected tools, you may see slightly different options, but the idea is the same. If a button is selected, those activity types will appear in the timeline. If you deselect it, those activities will be hidden. For example, if you only want to see emails and calls, simply click to turn off notes, tasks, meetings, and the other activity types. Instantly, your timeline becomes cleaner and shows only the interactions you care about. This is extremely useful when preparing for a sales call or reviewing communication history. Now, in addition to these quick filter buttons, most HubSpot portals also include a filter dropdown for more advanced filtering options. This is where things get even more powerful. Go ahead and click on the filter dropdown at the top of the timeline. Inside this menu, you'll see more detailed filtering options. One of the most useful filters is Activity Owner. This allows you to filter activities by a specific team member. So if multiple reps are working the same contact or deal, you can quickly see only the activities performed by one specific user. Next, you can filter by date range. This is incredibly helpful if you only want to see activities from the last week, last month, or a custom time period. Instead of scrolling through years of history, you can narrow it down to a precise time frame in seconds. You may also see options to filter by logged versus automated activities. This helps you distinguish between manual interactions, like a rep logging a call, and automated system activities, like workflow emails or integrations. For call activities specifically, you can filter by outcome. For example, you might want to see only connected calls, no answers, or voicemails. This makes performance tracking and follow-up planning much easier. And when it comes to emails, you can often filter by email type, such as logged emails versus tracked marketing emails. This helps separate one-to-one sales communication from automated campaigns. Once you apply your selected filters, the timeline will immediately update to reflect your criteria. You can adjust or remove filters at any time to broaden or narrow your view again. Using these filtering tools regularly will help you stay organized, reduce distractions, and quickly find exactly what you're looking for within any HubSpot record. And that's it. That's how you filter activities on a record timeline in HubSpot, using both the quick activity buttons and the advanced filter dropdown. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy HubSpot tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.